Hi friends, welcome back to Hershey's Kitchen with another recipe. Today I am going to show how to make chocolate banana cake. If you like this recipe, please click the like button below and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Take a clean bowl. Into that add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Sieve this nicely. Add in 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Sieve it to avoid any lumps. Add in 1½ tablespoon of baking powder, 1½ teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Add 1½ cup of sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients very well. Now keep this mixture aside. Into a bowl, take 2 ripened bananas and mash them with the help of fork. I have mashed the bananas nicely and into it add in about 2 eggs. Now whisk eggs and banana mixture thoroughly. Into this add in about half a cup of light olive oil, 1½ teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1 cup of milk. Mix all these wet ingredients nicely for about 2 minutes. Now pour these wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Mix this slowly. Using a blender, add milk or water if it is needed, and you can use butter instead of olive oil. Mix this very well and the batter should look something like this. Now take a baking tray. Into it add in some butter. Grease it with butter evenly. I have greased it nicely and now pour the prepared batter into the baking tray. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. I am going to pop it into the oven for about 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After 45 minutes, I have taken the cake out and it is perfectly baked. To check, run a knife through it and you can see nothing is sticking to it. That means our cake is perfectly baked. I am using a store-bought chocolate ganache. If you want, you can use homemade ones. So I'm topping it with the help of chocolate ganache. Spread it evenly and I'm going to cut it. It's so soft and spongy. So friends, hope you like this recipe and please give it a try and do let me know your feedback in the below comment section. Thank you so much for watching.